This how to 1 minute will show you how to remove number from WordPress URL. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. So I'm going to opening a post, and after URL here we can see a number. So to remove this number, go to your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu until you find the settings option. Now hover over on settings and click on permalinks. And now if you select plain, you will get this number on your link. So to remove this number, you have to select post name and then click on save changes. And now I'm going to reloading the post, and here you can see the number has been removed. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.